Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up or connect to a Wi-Fi internet connection with your Roku TV. You can see in the upper right-hand corner, it currently says not connected, and for whatever reason, at least for my particular Roku TV, this disconnects on its own more often than I would like it to, so then I have to go in and set up the connection again. So to do this, we're going to take out our Roku remote, and over on the left-hand side of the screen, we're going to go down to where it says Settings. Then we're going to go over to where it says Network right here at the top, and then go over again and down to where it says Set Up Connection. This is going to be a wireless Wi-Fi connection, so we're going to go over to where it says Wireless and click OK on that. Then it's going to look for wireless networks in your general vicinity. And once it's done scanning for Wi-Fi connections in your general vicinity, you'll have the option show up right here. My Wi-Fi router's name is Asus22. Now, for whatever reason, if your Wi-Fi router does not show up in this area, I'd recommend going over to your Wi-Fi router, perhaps unplugging it, waiting about 10 seconds, plugging it back in, and then waiting for it to reboot. And after doing that, go down to where it says Scan Again to see all networks to see if it shows up at that point in time. So once you have the Wi-Fi router that you'd like to connect to, click OK on your Roku remote. Then make sure that you enter in your password and then click OK on Connect. Then it's going to check the wireless connection as well as an internet connection. But as long as you get both of those green check marks that you've connected up to your Wi-Fi router and that there is internet, you should be good to go. So we can now see our network name over there on the side. Its current status is that we are connected. It is a wireless connection, and you're going to want to have either good or excellent signal strength to make sure that you're getting that internet to your Roku TV so it's able to utilize it properly. So now at this point, going back to the home page, and we are now connected, as you can see in the upper right-hand corner. Instead of saying not connected, it now shows us a clock. That's a good indication that we are now connected to our wireless router. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to set up or connect to Wi-Fi. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.